Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will start by getting your terminal ready and verifying Git is installed. First, run Git version. Once done, set your global user. Name and user. Email so commits link to you. Next, decide SSH versus HTTPS. If you pick SSH, generate a key with SSH keygen and add the public key to GitHub. Make sure your SSH agent is running to avoid repeated passphrases. These steps let your terminal talk to GitHub securely and identify your commits correctly. You will now fetch the code and work locally. Clone the repository into a folder, then create a topic branch with git checkout bfeature /your name so your changes stay isolated. Edit files, stage precise hunks with git add p or add all with git add, and commit with descriptive messages. Once commits are ready, run git push setupstream origin feature /your name the first time to establish tracking. This workflow keeps history clean and makes collaboration predictable. You will finish by sharing work and cleaning up. Push your branch, then open a pull request on GitHub describing the why and what. Reviewers will comment. Before merging, sync with git fetch origin and git pull rebase to apply upstream changes without extra merge commits. After merge, delete the branch both locally and on origin to avoid clutter. Troubleshooting tip: if you hit authentication errors, check SSH agent, validate your key on GitHub, or switch to a personal access token for HTTPS and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.